Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my Ipsy Glambag Plus for this month of October. So hopefully you guys are excited. So those of you who don't know what Ipsy is a $25 monthly subscription that you guys can get, and you do get the 5 full-size products of this every month. So if you also have the Ipsy Glambag, which is only $12 a month, you do receive 5 deluxe size samples for that each month as well. And also, if you are in the Glambag Plus and you are wanting to upgrade for the Glambag Ultimate, then you will be receiving 12 beauty products every month for just $50. So that is it, you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And at the end of this video, I am going to be showing you everything that came up or there is going to be coming out for this month of October. So if you guys are excited and ready for this, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and open these so you can take a look. So here, and here are all the products that I've got this month. Sorry, that kind of fell. All right, you guys. So for this month of October, it is Pound Discover Yourself. So here I have a little template, and in the back it does show you their social where you can follow them. You can follow them at Instagram at Ipsy, Facebook at Ipsy, YouTube at Ipsy, and Instagram at Ipsy. So I'm going to be showing you guys first the things that I received, and then I'll be doing the full review with you guys so that way you guys know. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with the first item. So for this first item, I received the Touching Soul No Problem Priming Water, and this is inspired by Seal's Harmony of Nature and Innovation. This priming water combines the anti-inflammatory power of rose water with productive Bulgarian damask rose oil to create an even shine-free finish that hydrates and primes for makeup application. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So this is what it looks like. It's nice and clear. And it does have the picture of the rose in it, if you guys can see really well. It's kind of fair light. So it looks like this. The price of this is $23. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in with the second item that I received. So here I have the Jolly Cosmetics Spectra Stick and Stella, and this is valued for $26. Now this name after the French word for pretty, Jolly creates one-of-a-kind, high-quality products that inspires confidence. This universally flattering rose quartz highlighter is infused with micro glitter that glides across cheekbones, flawless blending onto skin for a suitable dewy shimmer. So it does have their social media in the back as well, so you can go ahead and follow them if you like to. So it does have this beautiful diamond in the back. So this is what it looks like. It's really nice and white, and it's got this nice gold in it. And here is the color of the lipstick. Really nice and shiny. So jumping in with the third product, here I have the Love Craft Beauty. And this is a bronzer palette. This is valued for $30. Now this is inspired by New Orleans mystic makeup artist and founder Francelle Daly believes beauty in a connection to your inner magic. These make bronzers easily blend and build to a natural sun-kissed glow, and definitely double as eyeshadows. So this is what the box looks like, and here's the name of the colors that come in it, which is the Cymbeline, Suniva, and Aditya. Don't blame me, I don't know how you say it. So let me go ahead and open this. So it does come with a nice compact mirror in it, and it is sealed, so I can't wait to actually try this on with you guys as well. So going in with the fourth product, here I received more Farrah brushes, which I'm kind of excited because these are different from the other ones that I received. So here are my Farrah brushes, and this is the fourth item that I got. And this is the Midnight Pro Trial, and these are valued for $45. Now this is perfectly balanced weight, comfort grips, and suitable midnight blue tint To the fibers, this trio of brushes is the ultimate of luxury. Made by a team of beauty lovers, Farrah brushes are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and expertly designed for flawless application. So here are the brushes right here. And this one is the 20FF straight. And this one right here is the Stripling 40FM. And then here I have the Cheeky Ant 218. And they are in like a nice blue navy dark color actually. Which I kind of like that. It looks more like an ombre color, which is really cool. And they're definitely super soft. Can't wait to actually try this. So I'm going to be doing this as well. And now for the fifth product that I got is this beautiful Betty Boop Ipsy eyeshadow palette. And this is valued for $30. Ipsy did a collab partnership with the iconic beauty muse Betty Boop, so they could create this limited edition capsule collection inspired by her signature look, lashes, lips, and all. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this brand. So it does come with an extra cover. And oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Look at the initials of Betty Boop. And then in the middle, it has little hearts in it. It's so beautiful. Okay, so here are all of the shadows that come inside. So it does have some shimmers, a couple of mattes. I believe these are the two matte ones. And then you have these ones right here. Those are so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and do a review on this. I'm going to apply it on. So I just wanted to show you guys first how the shadows look. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick swatch for you guys. Okay guys, so here I have the colors of the palette, which are in Champagne, Shimmy, Quite the Coquette, Eye Candy, Glitterbug, Bee's Knees, Flip Your Lid, Dare to Bear, All Past Midnight. So those are the names of the eyeshadow palette from the Betty Boop. So they are super beautiful. I really love how they look. So those are the color. Before we end this, let me show you guys the handbag of the makeup. And this is the one that I received, this beautiful bag right here from Betty. This is so adorable. Now this is a black leather, and here from the back it's got this sequins in black, which is really beautiful. And then you have the little zipper with the heart, which is so cute. And you guys, if you guys have not watched my Betty Boop inspired tutorial or for Halloween, I did create a look of this because I did knew that I was going to receive some of the Betty Boop collection. So I just wanted to I just got inspired. So I did a review on that. So if you guys would like to check it out as well, I'll be leaving a little postcard up here, or it'll be at the end of the video once it's done. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. All right guys, so since you already know, I already have my foundation on, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Betty Boop palette, and I am gonna be starting with this color right here and use this on my crease. So I'm gonna be using this fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the pink color from this one right here. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the crease back and forth. And if you notice, I did apply some tape. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on. So I'm going to grab this purple shade right here with this flat brush, and this is for the ferro brush. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the lid. So it does have a little bit of fall, so what you can also do is grab a little bit with your finger and just apply it on, or simply just wet it with a little bit of setting spray, so that way it doesn't fall out a lot. So now I'm going to grab this shade with this same flat brush and apply this in the outer lid. And then with another Luxie 243 precision blending, I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. I'm going to go ahead and apply I'm going to go ahead and apply this color right here and put it in the inner drop, in the inner corner of the teardrop. And some up here. Yeah, for brown bone. So I'm going to go ahead and use a different brush, which is this smudge brush, and I'm going to be grabbing the same color and apply it underneath the eyelash, or underneath right here. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and tap a couple of mascara and some fall lashes, and then I'll come back and we'll do the rest of the products that I got. Okay, so here I have 3 colors for the bronzer, so I don't know which one I'm actually going to be used. So I'm going to go ahead and do a color swatch for you guys. So I'm going to be using this. Okay, and then the third one. And then you have this one right here. It's just 3. So I don't know. Probably third one, right? For the second one. Suniva. How about I use Suniva? So I'm going to be using the Ferro Stippling 40 FM. So I'm going to be using this to apply the bronzer. These are so soft. That's a beautiful color. I look purplish right there because I just had a fallout from the makeup, from the eyeshadow. Wow, you guys, this brush is just amazing. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Farrah brush, which is the Cheeky and 218, and I'm going to be using this as a blush. So here I have my Ofra by Madison Miller, and I'm going to be grabbing this nice pink shade. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the cheeks. So what I'm going to do is grab a little bit of the baking powder so I can get this makeup nice and neat. So I'll let this wait for a few 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Jolly Cosmetics, which is the lipstick that I received, which is this color right here. It's kind of like, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on. Ooh, it's actually more like of a champagne color, which is so beautiful. Wow, it's so beautiful. So let me go ahead and swatch it out somewhere around here. All right, you guys, so this color right here, so this is the color of the lipstick. Now this is a nice rose tone color, which is really shimmery and glittery at the same time. It's really dramatic shine, as you notice. And this is a cruelty-free and gluten-free, which is vegan, which is really good. And I really love the color, and this is something that I do recommend. Now, I did pick this lipstick because I just love the new colors, especially now for fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. Sorry, my camera didn't focus. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the excess of this. Okay, you guys, so here's the complete look from this makeup tutorial and everything that I've tried on. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, the only thing I can say is everything that I received for this month is amazing. I love it. I love everything that came out for this, and especially all the colors from the beautiful palette from Betty, and the lipstick, not to mention. Oh, so gorgeous, you guys, and the bronzers as well. So if you love everything that I got, I will be leaving the description of the items down below. So remember to get your Ipsy Glambag if you guys haven't. And the total value of everything that I received was $157, which wasn't that bad. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video once again, and I'll be happy to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.